it's Zhirelle. Today I have my everyday back to school makeup routine. My makeup routine changes yearly because during back to school I don't have a lot of time in the morning, so I need something super fast that looks good, that looks natural, because I don't want to be coming to school in like full on makeup. Also, comment down below how long your guys' makeup routine takes in the morning, or if you guys do your makeup in the morning, because I actually always look forward to doing it, but I just don't have a lot of time, so I kind of do what I can. Let's get started. So to begin my makeup routine, I am starting off with a bit of sunscreen. I've been using this a lot lately. So I take a pump of this. Next, I'm going to apply a bit of moisturizer. It's good to use one every morning and every night. And then that's it for like the skincare. I don't do too much. Next, I'm going to move into eyebrows. So first I take a spoolie like this and I brush them out. And then I'm going to take my two Anastasia brow products. The first one that I use is the Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm in the color Soft Brown. Oh, this is so close. I'm so sorry. If you mess up, just smear it off. Now I'm going to take this brow powder from Anastasia as well. So I'm going to apply it first underneath my eyes because my dark circles are crazy. And now I'm going to apply it to any spots that I have. So this one, of course, because ew, I don't want anyone to see that. I am going to apply a bit of foundation. I feel like my skin tone looks super uneven right now, and I want to add color to it. Like, that concealer was just so light that it kind of brought the tan out of my face. I use this really cheap Stay Matte powder by Rimmel. I only set the nose and the chin and the forehead. I'm going to be using these Fenty Beauty cream contour, basically. I don't apply it straight to my face because I find it super hard to blend out when I do that. I'm going to apply it to the Beauty Blender. Next, I'm going to use the pink blush one. This is so pretty. I apply this basically just straight to my cheeks. It looks really nice. I also apply this to my eyelids because it adds the color to the lids as well. I love when people do like the blush color as their lid color. It like all matches. It looks super nice, and I feel like it brings the look together. Plus it saves a lot of time. It's like 2 steps in one, so. Okay, so this next step could totally be skipped. I take the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Oh, and a brush like this, and kind of like go over all of that cream product we just put to set it and then make it more like nice looking. I don't know. So the next thing I'm going to use is this highlight. I'm almost out of it. It's the Tarte Exposed Highlight. With that same angled brush, I'm going to pick up a bit of this and first put it on my cheekbones. I love like cheek products. They're probably my favorite. And then also on my Cupid's bow and my nose. And then I'm going to apply it to my brow bone and my inner corner. We're wrapping this up. Next, I'm going to take my eyeliner. I just started doing this again because I kind of stopped doing eyeliner for a really long time. But I'm going to start doing this again because it just makes your eyes look so much bolder. So I take the eyeliner and I just do one line on the lash line. So on my top lash line, I use the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. On my bottom lashes, I'm going to use this Roller Lash Mascara. This is the only mascara that doesn't run underneath my eyes. To finish off the whole look, I use some chapstick. I never put anything on my lips because I hate putting stuff on my lips. And now we're done. So this is the finished look. I really like it. It looks pretty natural. It honestly does not take that long. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes every morning. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is very requested. You guys always want to see my makeup routine. I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Mwah!